Hey, this is Mick from NOLFnews.com. If you're looking to add weapons to your level, you have to add the object. So go ahead and move your marker to where you want your weapon. So it then doesn't matter because it'll always move it to the ground. So if I put it all the way up here in the level, if I put it towards the ceiling, it doesn't matter. It'll always end up on the floor. So I'm going to place it 64 units above the ground, and over here by the wall, I'm going to add a weapon. Add object. And roll down the list till I get weapon item, and then click OK. In its properties, you have some different settings. You can change the respawn time from 30 seconds. You can make it faster, slower, whatever you want. When I said move the floor, here it is. It's always move the floor. True. Unless for some special reason you need to change it. That's how it changes. And when you want to change your weapon type, just go ahead and click this. And you can roll down the list of what you want. You can change it from P38 to revolver, AK-47, to a grenade launcher, to whatever you want. Grenade launchers are kind of nice. So there you go. And then you can change it how much ammo. So let's add it. Let's give it 5 rounds. There you go. And the same thing with that. You can add it again. Go like this. Move somewhere else on the map and add an R object. Add a weapon. And you just do the same thing. You just change whatever you want to do to it. I'm going to add a P38, and I'm going to add about 15 rounds to it. There. There, you've got a weapon in the level right there. Now you want to add an ammo box. So go ahead and move your marker somewhere else. Now I'm going to add an ammo. Add object. Ammo box. There you go. This, you can change the settings. If you roll down the list, same thing, you have a respawn time, but now you've got a bunch of selections where you can add what type of ammo in there. You got a whole lot of them. You got about 10 of them. So I'm going to go back up to the top, and I'm going to pick what kind of ammo this box will contain. I already have a 9mm, and I have a 9mm gun in here, so I can pick a 9mm full metal jacket, dum-dums, or phosphorus shells. So phosphorus are kind of cool. So that, and then you add how much ammo. I'm going to add about 15 rounds to it. And then if I want to add more ammo to this box, I can go ahead, and if I got more guns, just go ahead and do that. Add how much ammo you want to it. That's all you need for adding ammo boxes. Now you want to add something like a scope to your level. If you have like an AK-47 in your level, you want to add an object. And you want to add a scope to that, so you need to get the mod item out. So go ahead and roll down your list, and click mod item, and then click OK. Roll down your list again here, and you can change to whatever you want. And let's see, like I said, I want to look for an AK-47 scope. There it is, right on the list there. AK-47 scope. And then just go ahead and click OK there. And same again, move the floor. Objects are very easy to add. It's just how you want to add them, to what type you want to add. Another thing you want to add might be a jacket or a gear item. So we go add object, and you find gear item. Click OK. And you have a list of things you can choose from. You can pick from antidote or a fire extinguisher, earplugs, scuba gear, some bandages in it, and of course body armor. So when I start in the multiplayer level, you start getting beat up. Body armor comes in pretty handy. So that's the real basic objects for adding guns, ammo, and mod items. So I hope that helps you out. So this is Mick from NOLFnews.com.